for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Today we're going to draw an animal. I know you love animals. It's one of your favorite animals. Sometimes these animals can be a little bit naughty. Just like you.
Greetings, little artists.
So we're going to draw a monkey. Your favorite. Go get your pens.
Okay.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
He started from scratch. He'll do his part. He's gonna get creative and make some art.
Are you ready? Okay, let's draw this monkey.
Art brings me so much joy.
It brings us all joy, Betty. Let's draw a sort of upside down U at a slight angle. Now let's do a half circle sticking out from that upside down U. So now we have an interesting shaped circle for our monkey's face. Let's do another half circle underneath for the body. Okay, let's do the ears. We'll start with a C shape. That's the left ear. And then we'll draw a smaller C shape inside. That gives the ear some thickness. Now let's do the right ear. Same thing. This time a back to front C. And we'll do a little oval inside this one. They look like your ears. You're sometimes a little monkey, Artie. Now let's do the face. We're going to do 3 half circles. First of all, the bottom one. And then another half circle going all the way up to the middle at the top. And then a third half circle coming back down to join the bottom one. Let's do the eyes. We'll do 2 oval-shaped eyes. Left eye first. And then let's do the right eye just alongside. Excellent. I think Betty and Mikey are impressed. Let's shade in the pupils, nice and black. And the right one as well. Shade it nice and black. Fill it really all in with black. Perfect. That looks like a smiley face, but it's actually his nose. And then we'll do a line down. And then we'll do the mouth. A big, smiley, curvy mouth. You want to stop and have a dance break? Okay, we can stop and have a dance break.
You're drawing so hard, your arms are gonna ache. Take a rest and have a dance break.
He can really dance. I used to be quite the dancer, you know.
Judge? Yes, I am. I give it a 10.
Great job, Artie. That was a wonderful dance break. Should we complete our monkey?
Okay.
Time for some arms. Let's do the right arm first. All the way up in the air. Then come all the way back down. Oh, I like what you did there, Artie. You did a little elbow. That's very clever. And there's the monkey's hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. We'll do his little fingernails. How about a left arm? And a left hand. 1, 2, 3 fingers on this one. Should we do some legs? Okay, let's do legs. Haha, I love his big foot. Now time for his right leg. And a big right foot as well.
Oh, he's so creative.
Now the most fun part, the monkey's tail. We're going to do a big spiral tail. And go back round again to make the tail have a thickness all the way back round to the body. He looks wonderful, Artie. Should we give him something to eat?
Yeah.
Let's draw a big banana. Monkeys love eating bananas. Oh, I see he hasn't peeled this banana yet. He's saving it for later.
What?
Are you all finished?
What?
It looks fantastic. I can't wait to see him all coloured in.
What?
Is he finished?
Yeah.
I love him, Artie. I love the brown colours and the orange. And I especially love his yellow banana. Fantastic job, Artie. Well done.
See you all later.
That's right, Betty. We'll see you all later. I hope you have an Artie day. Say goodbye, Artie.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.